Assalamu alaikum. I'm MD Hezibun Nabi. I'm a Python and Django-centric software developer. Welcome to the Iced Cloth Store, where your fashion journey begins. Step into a world of style and convenience. Embark on a virtual shopping spree with our cutting-edge online clothing store, meticulously crafted using Django. Get ready to explore an extensive collection of trendy apparel and accessories. Let's have features overview. Discover the power of our platform, offering a comprehensive suite of features to elevate your shopping experience. From seamless user authentication to intuitive product management, we've got you covered. Let's create your account with ease, complete with email verification for added security. Seamlessly log in to access exclusive deals and personalized recommendations. Say goodbye to the hassle of entering payment details for every purchase. With our wallet management system, simply add balance and breeze through the checkout process. Indulge in a stress-free shopping experience. Explore our curated selection. Add your favorite items to the cart and complete your purchase in just a few clicks. Navigate through our vast inventory effortlessly. Utilize advanced search, sorting, and filtering options to find the perfect piece that suits your style. Get started in no time with our easy-to-follow setup instructions. Clone the repository, set up your virtual environment, and install dependencies seamlessly. Learn how to maximize your experience with our platform. From registering your account to making your first purchase, we'll guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this fashion-forward journey. Visit our website today to experience the Iced Cloth Store and redefine your online shopping experience. Your style evolution starts now. Don't forget to like and share. Have a great journey.